Those working in the process industry look for dependable, on-demand shutdown solutions to maintain safety levels, protect workers and equipment from harm, and allow for timely, easy maintenance. Dealing with challenges around safety, reliability, and minimizing downtime is common in this industry. And we at Emerson understand the importance of these challenges. The ASCO series redundant control system provides an answer to each of these challenges, while improving process reliability, maintaining safety levels, and mitigation of problematic and expensive nuisance trips. The high availability of the RCS, along with market-leading flow, make it the industry's best choice for actuation control of critical process valves and safety system applications. Mounted in a pre-packaged enclosure, the RCS has been assessed for relevant requirements of IEC 61508-2010 and is certified SIL 3 capable. Our fault-tolerant redundant solenoid valve architecture provides a system with no single point of failure that could result in an unplanned closure of the process valve. With no bypassing required, solenoid valves are tested individually without process interruption, mitigating spurious or nuisance trips. Our solution provides both increased reliability and improved safety through the use of automated online testing, with diagnostic feedback from either a pressure switch or TopWorks GO switch, enabling the RCS to be fit for use in SIL 3 applications. With the RCS, maintenance can be completed quickly, as solenoid valves can be replaced easily without process interruption. Whether you need a 2 out of 2 or 2 out of 3 architecture, RCS provides you with the peace of mind you're looking for. We've done all the work so you don't have to build these features in the field, saving you time and expense while delivering safety and reliability.